So students, as you can see, this is the normal. Okay, we draw it with n. I have already told you this is happens at the point of incidence, the perpendicular line. That's called normal. So I have already told you these things. These are the very basic things. You can see incident ray, reflected ray. Okay, this is incident ray, this is reflected ray. All right, this is if I can zoom the diagram. So the angle of incidence is angle between incident ray and normal, and angle of reflection is angle between reflected ray and normal. And you also know the plane of reflection. Okay, I think we should finish it as early as possible. We have already done this. Yes. So these are the rays. Let's see all the rays studied above. So this is how the ray comes here. This is angle I is equal to angle R. Okay, this is law of reflection. We have already discussed law of reflection. Okay, so incident ray, reflected ray, and normal are all in the same plane. Means the plane is always same. I have discussed all in the previous lectures. All right. So you can see I is equal to angle R. Okay. Always remember this. Always. Huh? So this is, yeah, how the image is formed. Well, guys, we have already done in the previous topics. So it's just a revision lecture. So this is the object in front of plane mirror. Okay. This is, you can say, a flame of candle. Okay. Height is h. All right. So if it is in front of a plane mirror, its image will be virtual, erect, and of the same size. Now we come to types of a mirror. Two types of mirror are there: plane mirror and spherical mirror. All right. So it is, we are discussing here reflection only. No? Reflection, plane mirror and spherical mirror. Two mirrors are there. So that have plane reflecting surface are called a plane mirror. That have plane reflecting surface are called the plane mirror. As you can see here. Okay. So let's move further. Hmm. In spherical mirror, we also, remove this from a glass. Okay, these are two types of mirror: concave mirror and convex mirror, as you can see in the diagram. So you might have seen this. This is the convex mirror. Convex from outside, है ना? Concave. Concave means अंदर की तरफ जा रहा है. Convex बाहर की तरफ निकला है, coming out. Okay, hmm. I'm sure you can see this. Yeah. So this is the point. You can see this is the like mirror. If you can see, this one is the convex. This one is the convex. All right. So convex, which is outer sides, it is thick. This is concave. Concave mirror, the reflection occurs through the inner surface. So now types of images. Let's come to types of images. We have two types of images. All right. So what are the two types of images, guys? We know that let me tell you what is image. Image is actually formed, okay, when two or more than two rays actually meet at any point or appear to meet at any point, the image is formed. Okay. Hmm. All right, so we have two types of images. One is real image, another one is a virtual image. Okay, rays are actually meeting, the real image is formed, whereas rays are appear to meet, then virtual image is formed. Real image, virtual image. So let me tell you first what is real image. So is that which image is formed when reflected rays actually meet at any point. Okay, it is always inverted. It can be obtained on screen, as you can see on the cinema hall. Okay, in theater you can see na. So that is called real image. Okay. In case of virtual image, this is which is formed when reflected rays do not meet actually, but appear to meet at certain point. Appear to meet at certain point. It is always erect. Virtual will be always erect. Erect means जिधर सिर है उधर सिर होगा, जिधर पैर है उधर पैर होगा. It cannot be obtained on screen, guys. It cannot be obtained on screen. इसको screen पे आप लोग नहीं ले सकते हैं. जी. So image formed by plane mirror is always when point object is kept in front of it. Okay. If there is a point object, like this is a plane mirror, okay, so the image will be virtual, erect, same size, distance of object, distance of image. Distance of object will be equal to distance of image. I have already told you this, so let's move finish it further. So this is how image is formed. Virtual erect, same size, okay. And also the laterally inverted. So this is, now you can study the regular reflection and the diffused. In regular reflection, rays will be regularly parallelly reflected, है ना? Now regular reflection जो है, you can see rays are parallel, and it occurs from the smooth surface. It occurs from the smooth surface. But diffused reflection, the rays do not occur from the smooth surface. ये smooth surface पर नहीं होता है.